my god. Alright. Hey guys, Jam Orange. And oh my god. Alright, so my cat was attacking this baby bird. And oh my god. Alright, so we're trying to help him. But he's trying to fly, and yeah, this isn't going out so well. But okay.
You want to help
Well,
me?
yeah. So, oh my gosh. All right. I know it's really tiny, but yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. Just so you know, the feathers here. That is where my cat Houdini was attacking the bird. But at the same time, it's adorable. Alright, bye guys.